Welcome, guys. I'm dead. I'm gonna try to man in a couple exit pairs. Yeah. Shit. Got 1 minute. All right, candle about to close red. Keep our sets 50 minute boys. Get it. Let's get to it, man. Be right back home. All right, YouTube up. Y'all live this. All right. All right. So you got that price going to the upside. I'm gonna move my set to right to the 5600 right now, and then we get into the area I'll main with a wheel here. Exactly. All right, cool. Yeah, that's me right there. 5600 set. YM pumping. We got a break to the upside of OR. So if you look at my chart right here to the right, I got London and Asia high listed right here. I expect price to go up. Try to retest that. Maybe retest Friday low, and then we'll get into it. It's gonna be an easy trade right there. Go to 56 boys. Make sure my wrist is tight. All right, 1-3. Can you see all damn numbers here? Just go back down. All right, so I got this account drawdown right now. About to get this in the green. Man, this account is paid already. All right, 1-3. My bad, going through my wrist real quick. Got my lo-fi going today. Keep your boy nice. All right, 1-3. We're entering with 300 risk, 5 to 6 con entry. So we're set here. 5 cons at 5,600. 1-4. It's my full risk account. 7 contracts at entry 7 to 8 at 5,600. Yeah, YM should pump this shit right on up. Right on up to the supply zone. And then we can take it all the way back to 3370 point fucking banger, bro. Yeah. Got great context here. My boy, he's so great. Yeah, he ain't missed much, brother. my first losing week in about 2-3 weeks. Yeah, learned a lot of good lessons there. How high this candle got, boss? 75, 78? Nigga short. Nigga short in COM. They can get that stop over 91 right there. Looking at the 5,600 shorts last week low. Price got a little extended, now bouncing back. Yeah, so yeah, Exact high of the last candle. Yeah. Yeah, that might be valid. That might be valid. But I don't really want to enter in this middle zone. But I mean, yeah, I want to enter on sales on this higher edge. Like I got March lows right here at 60, so you get in at 69, you're gonna be right at March low. Get a little bit RR. Yeah, you just want a good risk reward with the nearest demand, which is 60. Yeah, this candle got a high of 77, but as you can see, we're focusing on this last week low zone. This high right here is about to get popped at 70 though. Tell off the structure here. All right, cool. Sit back and relax. You get into the 90s, 90, 92 is going to be the area where you can get aggressive. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm going to go off the COM. Shit. Yeah, 602 to 92. I'm going to set a limit. Yeah, go ahead, set a limit. 50. We got limit set at 5,600, but if we get to 92, 55, 92, then we'll probably go ahead and market ourselves in. All right, my two locations today, 5602 Friday low, last week low, short, and also March was also a location, 5559 March low. So the price does happen to break strong under 60 again, boss, then we can probably look at, that's going to be in the hole. Never mind. You know what I mean? Because it breaks. I got you. Okay. Oh, yeah, so that's what's going to tell it. If OR get back under the 50% line. All right, perfect. And then we'll be able to short March low off that side. All right. Yeah, we got an Asia low at 52. So price break back under Asia low. Then we can short 60s. And that'll be the 50% line. Excuse me. London low. Excuse me. That's London. That's London. Don't get it confused. Yeah, YM did give the signal over OR, but it has it on the program. Yeah. Yeah, same with us. Even if you look at 15-minute, if you look at the 15-minute OR on ES, it'll break the top at 73, and then you're looking at confluences right at 91. So it's probably one-to-one opportunity in between here and Asia London high, based off OR. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because think about Andre for real. Price is already formed. We're shorting off the 55.90, which is also Asia London low. Once price run back up into that zone to stop them boys out, then we'll take that short. You know what I mean? Yeah, exactly. Entry at 5,600, bro, is a 6-1, 6.3 to 1 RR with fucking 10-point stop. Risking 700 live today, boys. You can get this full TP 5,600 back to the lows. That should be some hindsight money management here. A $4,200 trade, 2x of phase. That's what we need right there. That's what we need. That's what my risk is here for today. All right, price just broke the high of that 10 a.m. 4 hour. That's just invalidated. 10 a.m. 4 hour. 10 a.m. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So it's even that the fact that it's a sell with high pressure and it's overly high, it's just gonna start selling around. But okay, we're gonna solve area above this candle.
Yeah, because 81, you can really start getting wet because the high of that candle was 91. You know what I'm saying? But
yeah,
I wanted a little bit closer. You know?
yeah. So we got yes, right behind it. Range.
Right.
But had a little heavy before
Yeah.
So speak on this, we do have a correlation.
Yeah, I do got a correlation right now.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
And the rest is thank you, NES.
All right, cool. This is great though. Price is going up. We got sell signals on our 4 hour. Anything close to 5,600, I'm about to go ahead and get frisky. That's gonna be my trade of the day. Short off of last week's low. Need to get probably 10 more points. 10 more points. Get into at least 90s.
Yeah,
We did hit 81 though. Niggas can't take 10 P's off 91 right now. So
yeah.
Yeah, based off the structure of the market, it just looks like it can just go straight to that London Asia high. Like if you didn't know London and Asia was right there, then you probably think, yeah, I can't go there. But the market has no reason to just leave them up there just short for the rest of the day. Yeah, no reason. All right, cool. Let's stay stiff at the 5,600 area. We get into the 90s, then we can probably look at going to. You can get stop over 02, then we can look to go ahead and plant. But 91, that's a little shallow for me, so I need a little bit more action.
Yeah, you can get this stuff.
Yeah, because you want to be over at least 02, bro. You know what I'm saying? I mean,
yeah, you want to be over 02.
Because even if price is just trading in a range right here, you feel me, between March low and 02, just wait for 02 so you can get the best risk reward back to March low. You know what I'm saying? Quite simple. And then if it does fail, go back under OR, back under the 50% line, then we will have a back to 33. So.
Yeah. Okay.
That shit did wick 10 away though, bro. 81, 82 to the head.
On 4 hours, you boss based on our setup. And then went for the high of this previous 4 hours, 77. So
Yeah. Yeah.
Right on there.
Yeah, technically we could have took 81s.
Technically.
Yeah, but it's a volatile market. I want 56. Yeah. Yeah. So
go by 15. Outside of OR in the next 2 minutes.
Definitely going up there. Yeah. Bro, we had to follow up. It break back under the 50% line. It break back under the 50% line of OR and back under that London low, then we can short 60. So just be patient.
Yeah. You can get right now it's like definitely a kind of conscious area. We got OR on both sides. RM is taking over, or NASDAQ actually acting like it can't move.
Yeah.
Right now, the trend is weak.
All right, cool. Still set at 56. Get close. We get close. 56 at 55, 59. Good old Monday. Yeah, man, that was fucking nice though. 82s. 82, stop over 90s.
Yeah, because they push as much as they can over that 4 hour candle.
Yeah.
4 hours with the 5 week, the sales, 4 hours with that buy pressure, and as soon as they get over that candle,
Yeah.
Good.
What you think?
It's chill. 1 minute, see this 15 minutes gonna close. If right close it back into OR, and then we might have something. But as of right now, ain't nothing big. You got green candles pushing the top of OR, so let's see we can have that. And to close it out, we're gonna look it up. The basis, I think we're in 81. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, if you do stuff early. And if you do it early, then you can at least wait. If you do it at a lower price, you can at least wait till the candles are showing you to do it. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's like, okay, it turned around there. It's like, all right, cool. Then plant flag. All right, that's good. Okay. Yeah. Got you. Oh yeah, so we just closed at over 72, so we closed over OR. All right, perfect. All right, target's at 56, man. That's perfect. Let's let these targets rest. If we get to 94s, 95s, then we can look at playing, but nothing soon. Mm. That's right. Yeah. Yeah, and 30 is a 4-hour zone, so bottom of OR is 33, so it gets under that. Excuse me, 38, so it gets under that, then it'll be the top of a new zone going to the next, which is around 50. Now, if we break 33, it'll be going around 55. Two is nice. Shit, that might have been us right there. Yeah, just chill. Yeah. It's Sersky. 17 minutes into the session. Very early. Got a wick of the 4-hour, 33 demand zone. Prices back over March low. Little wick out of OR to the upside. It's good too on Mondays. Mondays you really got to be extra patient too. Yeah. Mondays you just be figure out what the fuck's going on. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, 4 hours. We know exactly what we need. Yeah, we'll be able to join the extended short party if it breaks under OR. Like you said, we probably have to take it with not full risk, but we'll be able to get what we need. Take it. Yeah, I take it as a trend trade, half risk, break even, and then you might be able to get it to a 10-1. Yeah, quick double up. If not, yeah, ain't nothing wrong. I like to double up. Yeah, same as us though, bro. That 82 might have should have slammed that. I did want to get a little higher though, but I said that. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. 82, it's like that 10 away. It's like, yeah, shit. I mean, I wanted that based off like what I got right here as far as my RR. I needed that higher entry because it really would take this trade down from a fucking 6-1 all the way down to a 3-1. So it's gonna take half the R. You just getting in right here. It's like, damn, you know what I'm saying? It's like that's why you gotta take your time because that shit ain't really worth it.
We need to retest 4 hours of again first
Yeah, that was a perfect right there. Looking good for sure. Trying to fuck around. Yeah, watch this 15. If this shit close red, we might go ahead and plant with the stop over this that previous 4-hour high.
Yeah.
This is a little mucky though. 60 is the March low, so we kind of right at demand now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just follow the strat, chill. This right now, I'm gonna take him updated there. Now 60 is not great. So for real, we don't have to. You can wait for the confirmation. It's not messing with the shit.
Yeah, it's just a good read. Yeah, it's just a good read to you in it.
Yeah, it's a good read.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like 5600 the best though. My heart of hearts is really telling me just to set up here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, right now, definitely no reason. Yeah, we got to sell higher. All right, cool. I'm sitting back on 5600. We're going to target the change of move candle, the 6 a.m. candle for a stop. I got a high at 91, but if we get into the 90 area, then we can look at start going at it. But I really want the good trade today. So this is really the good trade. So in this red zone up here between 90 and 50.
Yeah, that's what we started at. And then I got to break.
Yeah. Then we'll. Yeah, and then we can play it break OR low, then we can play March low, which is the top of OR. Which is the middle OR actually, between 60 and it's really 50, 55, 59 is March lows. Yeah. This that Patrick Whelan. It's like you take that buy once that closed out, but then if it breaks the 50%, then you reverse the short.
Yeah, exactly. It's the same thing. Even like today, he's going to go up to the game because he's not waiting for a candle to close out. He's going in. The algorithm's already as soon as it spikes out. So when it spikes out on the bottom, he got to wear it to short.
Then spike that on the top, he got our Lord to buy. But he got that reversal at the 50% line, so he should have reversed that 50 and took it to 80. So exactly.
You can see it. You can see people got out right there.
Yeah.
So, I'm trying to read on that was.
Yeah, YM too. Yeah, this candle closed, bro. Yeah, we done. This is it. This candle closed under 60, bro. Ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Go a little lighter, but you can put that stop over 77. What it look like?
Yeah, just stop over 72.
Yeah, you got about a 3-1 if you could get in at 67, stop over 77, take it down to 33s. It's not bad. Just wait though. Yeah, because it ain't nothing. Still nothing to do here in this zone.
Yeah, because that's just everything.
Yeah.
We can take the short outside the box.
Yeah.
Get choppy on silver. We got something we break 50% line, break one more. It's all about confirmation. It doesn't really matter. We still on the top side of this box, and it's on the top of the box.
Yeah, because we had a good read. We wicked out, hit 80, 10 points away from the change of move candle high. So you already know what happened there. Now we're getting a continuation down.
The only thing that got me cautious is non-correlation.
Yeah, and as you should be. You should be cautious of that.
Yeah, because this thing can have this pinned up.
Yeah, it can have this pinned. Yeah. Yeah, fucking NASDAQ's almost down. Yeah, right now it's awake. NASDAQ's almost down 2%, while the YM's only down 0.4. But NASDAQ is leading the way here. But NASDAQ hasn't had a pop fucking all night. This shit ain't had no green action. So hopefully it can get one pop. Yes, he's leading the downside. YM's the lagging. YM's only down 0.4.
All right, you can see that pretty clear. Yeah, I mean, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Nash is probably going to close under the 50% line. You probably take a freedom short over 72. If you really think that, it's weaker.
Yeah, NASDAQ is definitely the leader to me. Yeah, it's tug and pull right now. It's tug and pull right now with the uncorrelation on the YM and the NASDAQ, but overall, yeah, exactly. You know what I'm saying? Just let it tell you what it's telling you. Yeah, because all reality, it's like, yeah, you want to get in. You probably want to get in up here, get in a little higher. Best trade probably gonna be once it break over 30. Get up out of here. I break the 50% line.
Like, I wouldn't go before some kind of conversation. I just want to go outside of this spot.
Yeah, I should have been targeting 91s. That missed.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't exactly. Yeah, I wouldn't say that just yet.
Yeah, you can't say it just yet. Yeah. But just with the 10 to 2 and the 2 to 6 high in 91. 5,600 still the best bucket. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's a missed trade at all. Yeah, I wouldn't say. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's a missed trade whatsoever. Real, I still think that shit can go out there. Take out that Age of London. That's really the one, bro. It really should go up there. You know, like I really would like it to do that. Yeah, I really would like it to go up there and check those, and then that's a 7-1. 10 piece.
That's what a lot of people gonna want. That's why you can chill.
Yeah, you can chill.
We know what we gotta be. Then since we got some kind of room, some kind of respect for the 15.
Yeah, because the thing is, if it breaks that low, then it's just it might be a 3% dead. You know what I'm saying? You just hop on the train with low risk.
If it breaks the low, it's gonna be trendy. So you don't even have to go ahead like this trendy. You don't have to go super heavy on.
Yeah, you can do what we did Friday. 3 contracts per account, 300 risk. You make 600 like that. Possibly could have made 12 like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Like that just like right now we're just waiting for some kind of trend to be established.
Yeah, exactly, for sure. Exactly.
I did take the break short, got 72, 180, over 82 in
Yeah, that was a good location.
no confirmation just yet though.
That was a good location. At 82, it's like, yeah, at 82, stop over 91. That was a good location. As of right now.
80, and right now, 80,
Yeah.
60 was great. 60 to 600 demand.
Yeah, March low is 60. So even if you would have took 80, you would have had to be out at least most of your risk by 60 for sure. That got to be a target. That's why the 56, you get in at 56, your target, and you ain't got to be out till 60, bro. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to be out to hit March low, bro. Yeah, London low is right. London low is right there at the 50% line, which is London low 52 and the 50% line 55. So that's a great read, bro. That shit for real. Yeah.
That shit for real. Hold that 50% line. Hold it.
Yeah, and
higher TP at 4 o'clock.
Yeah, exactly.
So like that's what you just gotta.
And the candles is telling us, boss. The candles is telling us the higher short for sure.
Yeah. If we just looking at the 4 hour, I mean, bro, the 15 is just telling you nothing but don't trade. It's in the box.
Yeah, it's in the box. Yeah.
For higher prices, bro. For real. So like literally the context of our school in the big, like the 4 hour telling us where we need to be. For sure.
Mm-hmm.
The 15 is telling us that prices are going higher.
Exactly. Just like we said yesterday. It's like you get that signal on the 4 hour, it's telling you a short, and the 15 is showing up. You don't take that buy, but you wait until that shit go up, and then you take that short. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
And you know it's gonna do it, boss. It's going to take out that age of London high. It's going to at least 94, brother.
We have a clear TP to 72. You can look
down to 33, nigga. 70 points, like real. That's why you gotta take your time. Yeah, this is the only trade I'm taking today. 5,600 short down to 33, 70p, 6-to-1 opportunity. If it ain't that, yeah, that's it. Yeah, you can take the momentum. Yeah, all right, cool. So full risk at 56. We get the break of 33 OR, then we'll take our little low shot, which is what we did Friday. 300 risk for 6. Get a little chip, get a little money. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, where you get to put on all your risk, you get that high limit, you know what I'm saying? So you got to trust yourself and know what, like your eyes are seeing. It's like, okay, if I get the OR break down in the hole, I'll go half risk, take that shot on the momentum for the train. But as far as my full risk, I'm at the highest, you know? Yeah, well, I am going higher. And the NASDAQ catching the bid right now, too. Already, yeah, it should catch a bid, bro. It really should. All right, we set at 56. I'm keeping that bitch right there. Then we'll look around when we get to Asia London high. But if we take that short, then we'll let the 15-minute tell it. Press and run up there, and then give us a 15-minute close at 94. If it does that, then I'll just short up there. Then you really got to worry about having your stop over 5,600. You can put your stop over whatever the high of that candle is. All right, good. 5,600 full risk. As you can see on the screen, it'll be 7 plus 5, be about 12 contracts at the level. Risking about 700 for a 6-to-1 opportunity down to 33s. That's mine. Look at that pop. That shit just reamed those shorts. Damn, look at that. Look at that pop, brother. Yeah, about to take out the Asia London. I gotta do it. There's no reason why I shouldn't do it. Good patience, boys. Good patience. You get in at 92s, up at 02s, call it a day, boss. All right. Pulling my entry down to 92s. That's me for the day, man. 602 shorts. All right, so where you set at? Okay. 94, 93s. Yeah, yeah, a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, got you. So playing 92s with 10, and you put the 5 on it. Yeah, because I'm playing full entry on these, like 1-4. It's 8 contracts, so I'm playing 7 so I can get that extra 5 points. Same thing with 1-4. I'm playing 5 instead of 6 so I can get them extra 5 points. So stop would be at 07. Yeah, that lo-fi got me right today. Yeah, I'm playing my lo-fi. Got me right today. Nice and calm. I know I'm trying to get into this entry so I can roll one. Gotta get this day done. You hear me? Another beautiful Monday, man. Living the dream. Thank God, man. We here. Yeah, another opportunity to show some excellence, man. 5 to 6. Go ahead and enter with the 4. Yeah, spin the blood. Yeah, ain't doing shit. It's range trading, and you see what the range is. That PMI that came out, yeah, it's nothing. Like Maxwell said earlier, Wednesday. What'd you say, Max? It tagged you in? What price? What you get in, like 82s, 83? Oh, nice entry. Yeah, that was a beautiful entry. I wanted a couple more points, dog. What the fuck? Couple more, please. That nigga went crazy. Yeah, you had to limit set. I know. I should have got with you on that. 84s, that was good. I like that analysis. Yeah, you enter there with 1. I just add in once it gets to 5600. If it does. Yeah, we act on. That you, Echo? All right, yeah, that's me. Entry at 92. I'm getting in with 9 contracts total. 5 and 1, 4, 4 and 1, 3. 15-point stop. Yeah, it really did. Damn, it's like a continuation.
It's 41,922. That should be our 56.
All right, perfect.
4-hour gap that starts right there. That should be enough for this shit.
That's good. Oh man, you already know it's gonna take out that Asia high gang, and then it's gonna get us in. That's gonna be beautiful. I don't know. We find out. It did. Let me check out my higher time frames. See if we got some supply to YMs going into. Yeah, Nasdaq. YM's just leading. It went straight to last week low, Friday low area, which is 41,714. So it did wick out over it. God damn, it's way over it. What's the next level? Shit. Oh yeah, it's already at the next supply zone, bro. Yeah, it's there. As long as it's under 41.9. Don't break 41.9. That's just a fade. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's the last day of the quarter.
Best move is Wednesday and fucking party. Due to NFP, you gotta be careful with that trade. NFP could run yourself again in that continue. Because that is again, it's the law of both stuff. You thought it was going
Ain't nothing but wiggle.
Yeah, that 84 was nice. That stops. It's over Asia London High, 10 points.
Yeah.
YM still looking strong though.
Yeah, and that's actually just touched a downtrend on the 4 hour and turned around.
Yeah, it sure did. Nasdaq.
Silver still holding.
Oh yeah, another close outside. All right, we good. Yeah, sit back and wait for that 56. Nothing to do to that 5600 get there. See what?
Can't see your camera.
You need to close your shit and come back out. You echoing. Yeah, you echoing. Think you good. Nah, you still echoing. What the fuck? It's okay. You ain't gotta change. Get in the pump. Come on, baby. Yeah, we finna get this fill at 92, man. Stop gonna be at like 5607. You hear me? I'm finna. Fucking YM blasted off. Guys. Please get this entry. I'm praying for this entry. I need this shit. It's not gonna be able to get it all the way back over 07. So get in 15 points off of 92 game. Come on, bro. Almost there. It's over. It's over, nigga. Like, how high did this candle get? Jesus Christ, bro. Nah, I'm not doing nothing. I got my fill set. I can't do nothing. Yeah, it's gonna be my fill for the day here. 55.92 entry, 56.07 stop. Break even at 55.82. TP1 55.60. TP2 55.33. Yeah. Yeah, I put that TJ. How did we get 85? It's not, huh? It's either for you or it ain't for you, man. Shit. Going back in that mode.
Back in that mode, man. Good to be here, man.
Nah, it's no point. Nah, that's good and smart match. Like starting to pull back. Damn. Might be pulling back now. YM hit 80, 81. Yeah, that's what's carrying everything. It hit 81 and the supply is 900. But, I mean, shit, I think it's still gonna get up there.
Just gonna get triggered like that. Just gonna be kind of nothing trailing, just let the signals that you're getting.
YM is like I use YM for cracks and correlation because it does wild stuff all the time.
Mm.
Yeah.
And like it's like I said, that shows you when to get in and out. The other two
Gotcha.
when you go back and look at it and look at price action, it's always running better stops and
Facts. All right, cool. Well, yeah, I'm patient at 92. This is my set for the day. Unless we get real bearish and break OR within a reasonable time. Yeah, I ain't gonna stay late on a Monday, but I feel like my 92 still gonna get hit.
Yeah, just one of those.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's a patient day for entries. Even like we said before, the 15-minute context when it's like this, it's telling us to wait and be patient. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
to the T. Staying to the T, man. All right, I'm about to do the same. Set the thing price up here. Roll up. Okay. All right, YouTube. Take a little roll break here, man. Here.
No, yeah, my love, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh.